We learn to identify the smallest number if you're given 4 or 5 numbers. First we look at the first number. If it's all same, then we go to the second number. Now, when given number, 2, 3 numbers together, find out is it in tens, 20s, 30s or 40s, and then you look at the second number, and then you identify the smallest among them. Now, if it is 10 and 21 and 36 and 47, definitely turn 10. Number 10 is the smallest. Now I'm going to give you an exercise for us to identify the smallest number. Okay? So we are going to do an exercise. Circle the smallest number in a row. Okay? Circle the smallest number. You're given about 4 or 5 numbers and you will circle the smallest number. Okay. We will do a few exercises, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 exercises. And I'll give you 5 sets of numbers and you can look at the number and identify, think carefully, look carefully. Okay. Now just look at this. The first one you have here 11, then you have 10, 12, 18 and 13. You are given 5 numbers. 11, 10, 12, 18 and 13. Okay, another set of number I have here for you is 23, 9, 17, 11 and 16. Another lot I have here for you is 15, 27, 10, 31, 22. Another set I have here 93, 16, 87, 37, 39. Then last one 41, 51, 33, 61 and 91. So look at the lot of numbers I've given you. Now here we are going to look very, very carefully because we are circling the smallest number. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are given 5 numbers. Now they're all in tens. Tens, 20, 10, 11, 12, 13, 18. Okay, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 18, and we are looking at the smallest number. What numbers we have here? Look at the first numbers in each of these. The first number is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So it's very easy. The first lot is very easy. Now let's look at the second number. In the second number you have 11. That's 1 here. This is 10. We have 0 here. 12. So we have 2 here, 8 here, 3 here. So what's the second set you have? 0, 1, 2, 3, 8. Definitely 0 is smaller than 1. So we have 10 is the smallest here. 10 we have, then 11, 12, 13, 18. So we have the smallest number here is 10 is the smallest in that 5 number. Now look carefully here. I've given you a mix-up of numbers. We have in 20s, 23, single digit 9, 17, 11 and 16. We've given you a mix-up of 3 types. You have single digit, you have 11s, 11, 17, 16, then 23. Now, which is the smallest number in this? Yes, it's very easy, 9, because it is single digit. Single digit 9, that's the smallest among this. Now here you have again a mix-up of numbers. You have in 10s, 15, 20s, that is 27 and 22 and 30s. Here you're going to identify the smallest among 30s, 20s, 10s and now 15, 1 and 5. So let's look at all the 1 and 0, 1 and 5. 5. In the second lot, you got 27, 2, 7, 2, 2. Then you have 30s. So you have 30s, 20s, then you have 15. So which is the smallest here? Definitely 10. 10 is the smallest here because 10, then comes 15, then 20s, then 30s. Very good. So you have 10. Another difficult thing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have numbers in 90s, we have 10s, 80s, 30s, we have. So let's say the number aloud. 93, 16, 87, 37, 39. Now, which is the smallest? Very clear. 10 and 6. 16 is the smallest among 90s, 80s and 30s. So 16 is the smallest among the 5 numbers given. Finally, you have another 5 numbers for you to identify. You have 40s, 41, 51, 33, 61 and 91. So you have numbers in 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s and 90s. You have 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, 90s. So which is the smallest then? In 30s will be the smallest because 33 is the smallest, then 40s, 50s, 60s and 90s, they are all bigger number, bigger than 33. So 33 is that's how you identify the numbers, smallest number. So we learn now identifying smallest. 33 is definitely the smallest. 41 is bigger. 50, bigger than that. 60, bigger than 50. 90. So we learned among the numbers given how to identify the smallest number. Hi children. Now, among you, there are some tall children, some of you are short. Okay? Now, in numbers, there are big and small. Yes? There are big numbers, small numbers. Now, what we are going to do now is learn to pick the biggest number and circle it. Okay? It's a very interesting exercise. Circle the biggest number. I'll give you about 3 to 4, 5 numbers and among them choose the biggest and circle. Alright? Yes. Circle the biggest number. That's what we are going to do. Circle the biggest or bigger. Circle the bigger. No, circle the biggest number. Circle the biggest number. You're going to circle the biggest number among the number that I'll give you, okay? Circle the biggest number, right? Now, look carefully at the number that I will write for you, then you will circle them, okay? Now, first of all, we have here 7, 5, 9, 4, 8. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. You will look, which is the biggest? 7, 5, 9, 4, 8. Yes, very good. So we will circle the number that's the biggest in the line. We'll do one more. Number of exercise I'll give you. Now you choose the numbers. We have done numbers up to 100. All right. Now look at this. 10, 12. All right. 15, 19, and 17. Okay. Another exercise for you. 23, 28, 21, 26, and 25. 25. Look at the biggest among the numbers I've given you. Next, 31, 39, 36, 30, 38, 48, 41, 47, 49, 42. Next, 56, 66, 59, 60, and 67. 73, 89, 77, 86, 81. Now, one, we give you a few more. Okay. 87, 99, 86, 77, 93, 63, 83, 39, 49, 69, 98, 94. And finally, we have here 20, 100, 80, 70. Now, we're going to look at all the numerals I put up. We're going to check for ourselves to circle the biggest number in each row. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 11. One we have already done. So we have 10 rows of numbers, big and small, all mixed up. Now we are going to choose and circle the biggest number. The first one you did it, 7, 5, 9, 4, 8. In that row, 9 is the largest, the biggest number. Now let's look at this. B, 10, 12, 15, 19, 17. Which is the biggest number? 19. That's very good. So we'll circle 19. And the next row we have 23, 28, 21, 26, 25. So which is the biggest? 28. Very good. So here we circle 28. In the next we have 31, 39, 36, 30, 38. Which is the biggest? 39. Next, 47, 49, 42. Which is the biggest of the lot? 49. Very good. So we circle 49. Next, 56, 66, 59, 60, 67. Which is the biggest? 67. Very good. And finally, we have another one here. G, 73, 89, 77, 86, 81. Which is the biggest one? 89. Very good. So, go on. Next. Next, we have 87, 99, 86, 77. Which is the biggest one? Good. 99. Next lot of numbers. 93, 63, 83, 39. Which is the biggest number? 93. Very good. We have next 49, 69, 98, 94. Which is the biggest? 98. Very good. And finally we have 20, 100, 80, 70. Very good. Automatically 100 is the biggest number. So today we learned among the numbers to find out which is the biggest and circle. So looking at the biggest number, you have the first row you have 9, then you have 19, and among this you have 28, then you have 39, and this lot you have 49, and in this lot you have 67, then you have 89, in the next slot you have 99 and 93, and here you have 90, and finally we have 100. We learned to circle, identify and circle the biggest number in each row.